Hobby Handyman here. This is a KitchenAid fridge with a freezer and ice maker. For some reason, the ice maker has decided to stop making ice. This ice is not from the ice maker. It's just something we were using just to keep ice frozen. But no matter what, with the handle up, handle down, nothing's happening. So what I'm going to do is replace the entire ice maker assembly. Should be pretty straightforward, and I'll show you how to do it. First thing we're gonna have to do is actually pop off the door here. It's pretty easy. What you can do is back out these screws down there as well on either side, and then that door just lifts off. With the door off, pull out the tray, put it to the side. You're gonna have to pull out all these different trays and put them to the side as well. That'll give us room to work in there. To get these trays out, there's a little clip right here. Just push that and pull out. Then you can slide the whole thing out. So, yeah, with everything out, just pop off the cover here. And then this will give you access to everything that we got to get out under here. So there's a couple screws. Pop that off. Unclip that harness back there. And then we'll figure it out. So we'll unclip this harness here. There's a couple little bolt screws right here. I'm gonna take those out. Then that whole thing should lift off of the bracket. Pull it out and put the new one in. All right, with those screws undone, everything kind of just slides out. There's our old one. See the harness here? Up. The harness here. We're going to take this off from this end, and we're going to put on the new one, and then just put this back in. The old one, the harness was clipped in under here. Easily just pop it off, take it, put it on that one, and then we're going to take the lever off the old one, put it on the new one, and then reinstall. New one, old one. Next, we're going to take off this lever here. Put it in here, and should be pretty straightforward. Just pop it out, put it on the new one. New one's on. All right, with the new one, you see this little tube here? That needs to go in this hole here. These little hooks up here need to hook under here. And then we can plug in the harness. So with that bracket on, plug in the harness in the back there. We've got our arm, and now we're just going to put our bolts back underneath. Reinstall your cover here. Put your lever down when you want to turn the ice on. Pull the drawers back in. I'm going to clean this first, and then hopefully we're on our way to making ice. So we replaced the ice maker in a couple days, and we've got ice again. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm the Hobby Handyman, and I'll see you next time.